Hello, everyone. I have found a new powerful feature in ChatGPT that I'm not sure if you heard of yet. So, if you like this kind of content, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and without further ado, let's get started. So, this feature is very powerful because back in the day, you would have to do this in a separate editing software. And so, this has to do with pictures, image generation, and I'll just say it ChatGPT now allows you to generate images with a transparent background. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this before you guys today. And so I'm going to tell it to make a ninja warrior throwing a ninja star with the ninja star having a purple streak behind. How about a purplish blue streak behind it as it flies through the air, and make this image with a transparent background. Alright, so make sure to choose ChatGPT 4.0 at the time of this video to get the same results as what I'm getting. So I'm going to repeat my prompt. It says make a ninja warrior throwing a ninja star with the ninja star having a purplish streak behind it, a purplish blue streak behind it as it flies through the air. Make this image with a transparent background. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this request to ChatGPT to create. And as we wait for that, I'll go ahead and pause the video, and once the image is complete, we will return. Alright, so it looks like our image is complete, and it has created our image here with the transparent background. The art is interesting. It looks like it can be a logo, like a logo kind of art for like a sports team or something, but it did what I have asked it to do. So since it has a transparent background, that means I can download it and put it on any background I want. And let me try something. I'm going to go ahead and download this image, and I'm going to load it into another program called Canva and see if this is truly transparent. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this button to download, and I'm going to come back once I have taken this image to Canva. Alright, so I have uploaded the image to Canva, and remember, for any image with a transparent background, it's going to be a PNG. So alright, so I've uploaded it here, and I would like to put it inside my own background here. So boom, as you can see, I've taken this from ChatGPT, which you could not always do this, but nowadays you can, which is a very, very powerful and very time saving feature. But anyway, it was successful with a transparent background, which I put my ninja in a forest. And alright, well, I thank you guys for watching. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, like this video. And this is Jay Techie. And until next time, have a great day. Peace.